I'm gonna find whoever did this, man. I promise you.
Whoever you are, it's not a public airfield in case you haven't noticed. Show yourself. Nothing new to report. Everybody stand down, but stay alert. Come on out while I'm still in a good mood. You hear me?
I can't see him. This guy's a fucking ghost.
Whoa, what the? Did you see that? It must have come from over there. Let's go, where'd he go? Bring it, asshole. Give me your best shot. Give it up. Search the area. We need to find this. Oh my. Look, man. I know you're deep. Take it easy on yourself. Come on out. Come on. Come get me. I'm right here. Don't make me come looking for you. You ain't got a chance. Ah! Hiding from me is just gonna get you killed.
Don't worry, brother.
Come
I'm
on
gonna
out.
catch whoever did this. I swear.
He's just got to screw up once, then we've got him.
Whoever did this. I know you're here somewhere. Come on out. It's a private airfield. I know you're out there, asshole. Don't make me come find you.
Watch your fire. Can't just spray and pray here.
Quit hiding, you damn coward! I'll look in every barrack and every shelter if I have to.
Grim, the dish is taken care of.
Then let's get you out of here. My car is outside the gate. All the pursuit vehicles are inside. This isn't an accident. Fry their security
Attention,
systems, and
attention,
they're not
all
going down.
personnel. There is an escaped prisoner inside the compound. He is to be considered armed and dangerous. Report to your security positions immediately. You are clear to use deadly force. The prisoner is still at large. Repeat, the prisoner is still at large.
Come on.
I'm gonna get this sucker! Yeah, you better hide from me. Come on, let's find this asshole!
Warning, the prisoner has had extensive combat training. He is armed and extremely dangerous.
I should have stayed with the lady.
I think it came from over there! Nobody escaped from our airfield, Victor! There she is, hide forever, asshole! Watch your eyes! I'm throwing a flashbang! Here I come! God damn it! Come on! Give it up, everyone! Yeah, you better hide! Now you want to play games? Okay, let's play! Yeah, you better hide, you bastard! I'm gonna...
Sam, bad news. Sarah's fine, but I have to push back the call I promised you.
Stop playing games and don't call me again unless you've got my daughter on the line.
Alliance Security, Victor Cost speaking.
Vic, it's Sam. I'm in town and could use a little help.
If you're asking for help, we better do this face to face. And what the hell's going on back there?
I thought you'd recognize the sound. Remind you of anything?
Yeah. Iraq.
Yo, Sam, how's your little girl?
She's doing fine. I got a picture from her in the mail. I think her mom helped her draw.
Nice. My kids don't draw me pictures or write or anything.
They don't write because you can't read, man.
Clap it up. But when I get out of here...
Hey, you're going to kindergarten.
You know, I hear they got entrance exams at kindergarten now, Sam. I don't know if Vic's gonna make it in.
Down! Everybody down! Look out! Don't move!
Sam trusted me because of what we'd been through together in the Gulf. That's why he called me after Third Echelon did their little number on him. He needed someone to watch his back. I was the only one who could.
Bunsky, this is Wofford Base. We've got a UAV showing 2 men down and your squad leader missing and presumed KIA. Find cover and hold your position. We'll come get you. I am ordering you to wait for evacuation.